Ryan believed money made him untouchable. He mocked poor people, laughed at hard-working workers, and lived a luxury life filled with mansions, sports cars, and VIP parties. But one day, his father lost everything. The mansion disappeared, the luxury cars were gone, and the rich boy who once insulted workers was forced to become one himself. What happened next changed his life forever. There was once a rich boy named Ryan. He lived in a giant mansion on the hill overlooking the city. Servants followed his every command. Luxury cars waited outside his house, and social media made his life look perfect. Ryan believed rich people were superior. At school, he often mocked students from poor families. One day, while watching a janitor clean the hallway, Ryan smirked and said, "People like you will work forever, while people like me enjoy life." The janitor stayed silent, but Ryan's father heard everything. That night, his father warned him, "Never disrespect struggle, son." Ryan laughed confidently. "Dad, we're rich. We'll always be rich." But life was preparing a painful lesson. A few months later, Ryan's father's company collapsed after betrayal from business partners. Debt swallowed the family overnight. The mansion was seized. The luxury cars were sold. Bank accounts were frozen. Even their friends disappeared. Within weeks, Ryan and his father moved into a tiny apartment. For the first time in his life, Ryan saw real struggle. No luxury, no servants, just bills, stress, and fear. One night, Ryan saw his father silently crying in the dark. That moment shattered him inside. The arrogant rich boy finally understood something important. Money doesn't last forever. Character does. The next morning, Ryan searched for jobs everywhere, but nobody cared that he used to be rich. Managers rejected him constantly. "You have no experience. Come back later." Finally, a warehouse owner gave him a chance. Ryan's job was carrying heavy boxes for long hours. The same boy who once insulted workers had now become one himself. His body hurt every night. People shouted at him. Customers disrespected him. Many times he wanted to quit. But struggle slowly changed him. For the first time, Ryan respected hardworking people instead of partying at night. He started studying business. He watched free online videos, learned marketing and sales, read business books, and slowly rebuilt himself while others slept. Months passed. Then Ryan used his savings to start a tiny online business. At first, everything failed. He lost money again and again, but pain had made him stronger. The old Ryan would have quit. The new Ryan refused to stop. Years later, that tiny business became a multi-million-dollar company. Ryan became rich again, but this time, he was humble. He respected workers, helped poor families, and never forgot the pain of losing everything. One day, Ryan returned to his old school as a guest speaker. He stood on stage and said, "When I was rich, I thought money made me powerful." He paused for a moment, but losing everything taught me the greatest lesson of my life. Real success is built through struggle, discipline, and humility. The room became silent because the arrogant rich boy had finally become a real man. Listen carefully. Sometimes life destroys your comfort to build your character, and sometimes losing everything is the beginning of becoming unstoppable.